Loora AI versus ELSA Speak. Let's get started. So first we start with Loora. Loora AI is an AI-powered English tutor that simulates real-life conversations to improve fluency, confidence, and grammar. It offers flexible on-demand speaking practice tailored to your interests and proficiency level. And ELSA Speak is an AI-driven pronunciation coach specializing in American English. It provides structured knowledge and lessons, instant feedback, and progress tracking to help you achieve a native-like accent. Now let's talk about their pros. So first, Laura. It has natural conversations, personalized learning, flexible practice, and comprehensive feedback. Now for Elsa Speak, it has accurate pronunciation feedback, structured curriculum, progress tracking, and interactive exercises. Now for the comparison, so for the focus area, we have Laura AI on the conversational and conversational fluency, while Elsa Speak is on the pronunciation and accents training. And for personalization, Laura AI is more on the high side, and Elsa Speak is on the moderate. And for a structured curriculum, Loora AI has no structured curriculum, but Elsa Speak has. And for pronunciation feedback, for Loora AI it is basic, but for Elsa Speak it is advanced. So in conclusion, choose Loora AI if you seek to improve your conversational skills, gain full confidence, and in speaking. And opt for Elsa Speak or choose Elsa Speak if your primary goal is to refine your American English pronunciation through structured lessons.